What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, and I'm back with another microphone comparison video. This time, I'm comparing the Tonor BM-700 to the Neewer NW-700. The microphones look identical, so I'm guessing that they were made at the same factory with different labels slapped on them. But is it just that? Is it just that the microphones were made at the same factory with different labels? Or can you tell the difference between the audio between the two? So what I'm going to do to make this fair and blind, I'm going to get right to it. But what I'm going to do is hide the microphones, going to shuffle them around so you don't know which one is which. And we're going to then listen to my beautiful voice, talk your ear off for just a second, see which one you like best, and hopefully that'll help you make an informed decision if you want to step your audio up. And keep in mind, both these microphones cost less than 15 bucks. Well, the Tonor, it was 46 bucks, well, 50 bucks after taxes and all that stuff because I bought the whole kit. The whole kit came with the phantom power that you need to power these microphones. It came with the arm that this microphone is mounted on, desk mounted arm. It came with an XLR cable. This guy, XLR cable to 3.5 millimeter if you want to plug into your laptop or something like that. It came with the pop filter, this thing right there, but I'm not going to use it, not for this particular video right here. And it came with the shock mount that the other microphone is in. So again, let me go ahead and shuffle these really quick, and we're going to go ahead and talk real quick. I'm going to talk your ear off just for a second and see if you can tell which microphone is which. Is the Tonor microphone A? Is the Neewer microphone B? Or is the Neewer microphone A and the Tonor microphone B? I don't know, but we're going to find out. So here we go. Microphones are side by side. What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, and I want to know, do I have a voice for radio? Is my voice smooth enough for radio? Or should I stick to making silly YouTube videos for you guys to help you guys make decisions on buying audio equipment and video equipment and doing Photoshop and working in Filmora like me? Are you a tech junkie like me? I'm definitely a tech junkie. And for this price point, that's just so much more stuff I'm going to buy. I don't know if you can see behind me, but I've got a lot of equipment back there, a lot of gear. But I mean, I've been doing this for 15 years, coming up on 15 and a half years. So yeah, I've accumulated a lot of stuff. And now that I'm new into video, I'm getting a lot of video stuff. I'm all excited about video and all that stuff. So anyway, hopefully you can hear the difference between the two microphones as I'm bouncing between them. I'm putting up microphone A and mic B. You don't know which one is which until the end of the video. And I'm just going to go ahead and point. I'm not going to say which is which. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little annotation up there so to let you guys know which microphone is what. But again, for less than $20 for a cardioid microphone, a condenser microphone that you can use for your audio. And if you're wondering, I am considering doing a podcast, if not starting my own, joining one of my friends' podcasts. So I'll see, but I definitely wanted to get a better microphone than the built-in microphone and better than the shotgun microphones. So is it working? Can you tell the difference between mic A and mic B? And is either microphone worth the money spent? You guys let me know in the comments. I really would appreciate it. And let me know if this helped you make an informed decision. Let me know, please. And I'll see you in the next video. This is Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media. Just wanted to drop a quick comparison video for you. Let me know which one you think. I'll see you next time.